Hey guys, let's see how to use a Echo Show as an iPhone speaker via Bluetooth. It's pretty simple. As you can see, I'm playing music here, so you can use any app to play music. And I'm gonna use this as a speaker. So I just come here to the settings. And here you look for device options and you're gonna see Bluetooth. Okay, so I just tap on here and I can't see any device that I have available. In this case, available to connect. In this case, I just need to come here to my iPhone. And on settings, I come to Bluetooth. And here, I don't have my device here yet. So I just need to go down. And here is going to find it. You see it? Echo Show. That's the one. I just select here because I'm connecting for the first time. Because as soon as I enable here, as I enter here, it's going to be available to find it, right?
To iPhone. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
Now you see that's already connected and it's playing here, okay? So I can just increase the volume here. And I can even pause or play from here, okay? So it's working pretty fine. So that's the way you can use the Echo Show as an iPhone speaker via Bluetooth. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.